In this video, I will show you how to get your USDT BEP20 address in Trust Wallet. To do this, first open up Trust Wallet and in the top right, go and click on the two small circles. And from there, you want to go and search for BNB and then make sure that you have the BNB Smart Chain toggled on. After doing that, you can go back to the home screen and from there click Receive. And then what you want to do is click on All Networks and just set it to the BNB Smart Chain. Then from there under All Crypto, you will find USDT. If you don't see it yet, you can just search for USDT and then select USDT BNB Smart Chain. So go and click on it and then from there copy. And then you have copied your USDT BEP20 address. So that's how to get your USDT BEP20 address in Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.